Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going to start one more new topic from biochemistry subject. The today's lecture topic is concept of pH. Dear friends, in previous lecture we studied concept of acid and base. Dear friends, acids are those substances which donate H plus ions, while bases are those substances which accept H plus ions. The H plus ion concentration plays significant role in various types of the biological reactions or biological system in our body or in the body of all living organisms. Hydrogen ion concentration is conveniently expressed by the term pH. Hydrogen ion concentration is conveniently expressed by the term pH. If we see the definition of pH, there are two definitions of the pH. The most common definition of the pH is pH is defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. The scientific definition of the pH is hydrogen ion concentration of an aqueous system is called as pH. Hydrogen ion concentration of an aqueous system is called as pH. The mathematical equation of the pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. Dear friends, we know that there are two types of the acids, strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid produces more number of ions after their dissociation, while weak acid produces less number of ions after their dissociation, and this ionization property is responsible for determining the pH of acids. For example, the strong acid like hydrochloric acid, when H plus ion concentration is 0.1 molar, then pH will be 1. Then pH will be 1. How the pH of hydrochloric acid is calculated when its concentration H plus ion concentration is 0.1 molar. See in given slide, the calculation is given here. pH is equal to minus log of concentration of 0.1. 0.1 is the given concentration of H plus ion. 0.1 term is converted into 10 raised to minus 1 term, and by applying logarithms rule, log a raised to b, log a raised to b, to the equation pH is equal to minus log of 10 raised to minus 1. We get an equation minus into bracket -1 log 10 minus minus plus, that is plus 1 into log 10 is 1. Therefore, 1 into 1 is 1. Hence, pH of 0.1 normal HCl is 1. If H plus ion concentration is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, then pH will be 2. If the hydrogen ion concentration is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3, then pH will be 3. That means the hydrogen ion concentration decreases, pH increases. That means there is a inverse proportion between the hydrogen ion concentration and pH. But for weak acids like acetic acid, which has less tendency to dissociate, then pH will be different. For example, the pH of 1 molar acetic acid, which on ionization gives 0.0042 molar of H plus ion concentration, can be calculated as pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. The concentration of H plus ion is given here and is 0.0042. Put the value of H plus ion concentration into the given equation. We get an equation pH is equal to log of concentration of 0.0042. The term 0.0042 is converted into 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. By applying logarithms rule, log A into log B is equal to log A plus log B. We get an equation pH is equal to minus log of 4.2 plus 1 into log of 10 raised to minus 3. Log of 4.2 is 0.62 and log of 10 raised to minus 3 is 3. Therefore, minus 0.62 plus 3.0, the answer is 2.62, and this is the pH of 1 molar acetic acid, which on ionization gives 0.0042 molar of H plus ion concentration. That means the pH of strong acid and weak acids are different and depends on the tendency to dissociate. This is the table which indicate different pH indicators, their approximate pH range for color change and color change. Dear friends, if we want to check the pH of any aqueous system, we can use pH indicator paper or suitable pH indicator. The exact or accurate pH can be measured with the help of digital pH meter. See in given table, the pH indicator is given in first column. Approximate pH range for color change is given in column 2, and column 3 consists of color change. Bromocresol green is an pH indicator. The approximate pH range for color change is 3.8 to 5.4, and at this pH range bromocresol green shows color change from yellow to blue. Bromocresol blue approximate pH range for color change is 6.0 to 7.6, and color change is yellow to blue. Litmus approximate pH range for color change is 4.5 to 8.3, and color change is from red to blue. Methyl orange pH range is 3.1 to 4.4, color change is red to yellow. Phenolphthalein pH range is 8 to 9, and color change is from colorless to pink. And thymol blue, the color pH range is 8.0 to 9.6, and color change is from yellow to blue. Bromocresol green is a special type of the pH indicator used during isolation of casein protein from the given milk sample, and this bromocresol green turns blue to grassy green at pH 4.6 to 4.8. This is all regards to the pH.